Welcome to Money Mindset Mission, where we strive to bring you the most insightful content to help you navigate the digital landscape. Today, we're going to explore into a topic that has been gaining significant traction in the world of online content creation: YouTube automation. YouTube automation, for those who are new to the concept, is a fascinating approach to content creation. It's a strategy that leverages the power of automation to create and manage YouTube channels. These channels are unique because they often amass thousands, if not millions, of subscribers and views without a specific person or voice behind the brand. They're often referred to as faceless channels. They're reshaping the way we understand content creation on YouTube. The concept of YouTube automation might seem a bit abstract at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. Imagine having a YouTube channel that operates almost independently with minimal input from you. This is achieved by automating various aspects of the content creation process, such as script writing, video editing, voiceovers, and even posting schedules. The beauty of YouTube automation lies in its efficiency. It allows you to produce high-quality content consistently, which is crucial for growth on YouTube. However, it's not a magic solution that will skyrocket your channel to success overnight. It requires careful planning, the right tools, and a deep understanding of your target audience and the YouTube algorithm. As we delve deeper into the world of YouTube automation, it's crucial to familiarize ourselves with some key terminologies. These terms form the backbone of your YouTube analytics, and understanding them is essential for maximizing your channel's performance and revenue. First on our list is CPM, which stands for cost per mil. This is a term used in the advertising industry, and it represents how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 ad impressions on YouTube. It's an important metric because it directly impacts your channel's revenue. A higher CPM means that advertisers are willing to pay more to display their ads on your videos, leading to higher earnings for you. Next, we have RPM, or revenue per mil. This is a metric that shows how much you earn per 1,000 views. Unlike CPM, which only considers the revenue from ads, RPM takes into account all your revenue sources on YouTube, including ads, channel memberships, YouTube Premium revenue, and Super Chat. It gives you a more comprehensive view of your earnings. Watch time is another crucial metric. This represents the total amount of time the viewers spend watching your videos. It's a key factor that the YouTube algorithm considers when deciding to recommend your videos to other users. The more time viewers spend on your videos, the more likely YouTube is to promote your content. Lastly, we have CTR, or click-through rate. This metric shows how often viewers click on your video after seeing its thumbnail. A high CTR means that your video thumbnails and titles are compelling enough to attract viewers. However, a high CTR doesn't always translate to more views if your content doesn't keep viewers engaged. Understanding these terms is not just about knowing what they stand for. It's about using this knowledge to optimize your content, attract more viewers, and ultimately, increase your earnings. Now let's talk about the tools that will make your YouTube automation journey smoother. These tools are designed to streamline the content creation process, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your channel. First, let's talk about video editing. This is a crucial part of content creation, and having the right tools can make a significant difference in the quality of your videos. Capcom and Filmora are excellent video editing software that are perfect for beginners. They offer a range of features that make it easy to edit your videos, add effects, and adjust the audio. Next, we have Canva, a user-friendly tool for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when they come across your videos, so it's essential to make them as engaging as possible. Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements that you can use to create professional-looking thumbnails. Understanding your niche is a critical step in the YouTube automation process. It's about knowing what your audience is interested in and creating content that caters to their interests and needs. This is where vidIQ comes in. vidIQ is a powerful tool that provides insights into what's trending in your niche, what keywords your audience is using, and how your competitors are performing. It offers a comprehensive view of your niche, helping you make informed decisions about your content strategy. With vidIQ, you can identify opportunities for growth, understand what content resonates with your audience, and stay ahead of the competition. It's an invaluable tool for anyone looking to succeed in YouTube automation. For script writing, ChatGPT is an AI tool that can write your video scripts. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate text that is coherent and engaging. This can save you a lot of time and effort in the script writing process. Finally, we have Pixabay, a resource for free stock videos, sound effects, and soundtracks. These resources can add a professional touch to your videos and make them more engaging for your viewers. Remember, the goal of using these tools is not to automate every single aspect of your channel, but to streamline the process and make it more efficient. While automation tools can handle many tasks, there are certain aspects of content creation that benefit from a human touch. This is where hiring a team of freelancers comes into play. Freelancers bring a wealth of experience and skills to the table. They can help you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent places to find talented freelancers who can contribute to your YouTube automation business. First, let's talk about scriptwriters. A good script is the backbone of any video. It sets the tone, delivers the message, and engages the audience. Hiring a professional scriptwriter can ensure that your video content is compelling, well-structured, and tailored to your audience's interests. On platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can find scriptwriters with a wide range of expertise, from educational content to entertainment and everything in between. Next, we have voice actors. Even though your channel is faceless, it doesn't mean it should be voiceless. A professional voice actor can bring your scripts to life, adding emotion and personality to your videos. They can help you create a unique brand voice that resonates with your audience and makes your content more engaging. Video editing is another task that you might consider outsourcing. A professional video editor can take your raw footage and transform it into a polished video that captivates your audience. They can add effects, transitions, and graphics that enhance your content and make it more visually appealing. Last, consider hiring a graphic designer for your thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when they come across your videos. A professional graphic designer can create eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers and increase your click-through rate. Building a team of freelancers can be a game changer for a YouTube automation business. It allows you to focus on the strategic aspects of your channel, like content planning and audience engagement, while your team handles the execution. Remember, the key to a successful team is clear communication, so make sure to provide detailed briefs and feedback to your freelancers. Choosing the right niche is a crucial decision in your YouTube automation journey. Profitable niches are those with a large engaged audience and opportunities for monetization. These include areas like business, finance, education, tech, marketing, relationship advice, and crypto. These niches are profitable because they attract a broad audience and are often tied to products or services that viewers are willing to pay for. On the other hand, non-profitable niches are those with a smaller audience, less engagement, or limited monetization opportunities. These might include niches like meditation, rain sounds, reaction videos, comedy compilations, movie compilations, top 10 lists, and sports. While these niches might have a dedicated audience, they often face challenges like oversaturation, copyright issues, or lower ad revenue. Remember, choosing a niche should not only be about profitability, it should also align with your interests and expertise. Creating content in a niche you're passionate about will make the process more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Success won't come overnight. It requires consistency, effort, and a deep understanding of your audience and the YouTube platform. But with persistence and the right approach, the potential is endless. So are you ready to embark on your YouTube automation journey? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you succeed in your YouTube automation journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.